Got the parts you need?
Yes.
Let's go fix.
Fell off now. 3 of these things.
Let's go fix it and go creaking. All right, so my quick fix, because I'm new at the hobby, did not work. So now, for right now, we're just going to see if we can zip tie this on zip ties. What happened? How did the bumper break?
I was having a good time, like a couple of weeks ago. Well, the day before yesterday, and I was bumping around everywhere. I go down the staircase, triple flipped, and it fell off.
Well, at least it was dramatic.
And then I was just like, keep it there. I tried to stick it on, so like, yeah, Dad, everything's fine. Then flop, gone.
Busted. Hey Mo, you want to go creaking?
Heck yeah.
Okay, so what's your goal today?
What's my goal? Not going full throttle and biffing it.
Nice.
It's my truck.
Stay on the wheels, hey? Me too.
This is gonna be amazing.
That was awesome!
Yeah, I dominate!
Wait, are you dead?
Yeah.
No throttle. Okay, turn it on and off and see if you can get it to start over again.
Okay, just 1 sec.
Well, that concludes today's run. Well, for everyone else out there, him and I are going to go out and see if we can rip out a few other rides because it's such a beautiful day. We might as well stay
Such a beautiful day.
Stay outside all day long.
Do you mind showing them the amazing creek?
The amazing creek. They're gonna see the amazing creek, but we went up and down. We have lots to discover. So what happened today?
We were having a good time. I was just like, yay, I can finally play by myself. Dead battery.
So we'll have to go and remedy that pretty quick. And we look forward to the next time we get out RCing.
Yeah!
Woo! Get out and have some fun.
Yeah! Okay, so that was a really short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so this is what I made on the time-lapse. It's a big mountain with a little guy's house. And then 2 other houses with like a little path going all the way down. his friend, and then his other friend. Hello! And I'm glad you might enjoy the really short video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I hope you have a good day. Everything's doing I'm okay.